Kia and Tennis Premier League. Driven by a shared vision to inspire the next generation to grow the sport across the country, not just through the league, but with impactful initiatives like the Race to Gold Scholarship Program, an effort focused on identifying, supporting, and nurturing young talents on the journey towards excellence from across the country. And today we are honored to have the man at the heart of a lion and the hands of a magician. 20 Grand Slams, 7 Olympics, 1 iconic legacy. Can we hear it for the Hall of Famer, Leander Paredes? Alongside Leander, we have the ever so charismatic, one of the most celebrated actors in the country, who is also a proud co-owner of the Hyderabad Cycle. Can we hear it for us? And now it is time to give it up for the driving force behind the growing TPL empire, the co-founders of the Tennis Premier League, Mr. Kunal Thakur and Mr. Krunal Jain. And of course, today we are in the esteemed presence of Mr. Atul Sood, the Senior Vice President, Sales and Marketing, Kia India. We also welcome all our lovely franchise owners, the friends from the media, our distinguished guests and partners present here this evening. To begin the proceedings, we're going to start with a very special AV that takes us through the incredible journey of the Tennis Premier League. A league that continues to grow, to inspire and to create a meaningful impact on Indian tennis.
A very warm welcome to all of you. Today actually is a very emotional day for all of us because this is the exact same place we started the journey in 2018, 8 years back. This is where TPL had started with a dream to a passion of growing tennis. And the second reason, the man sitting here. In season 1 in 2018, he took a 16-hour flight just to be with us for the inauguration. He took an 18-hour flight back home on the very same day to get to his next tournament. And today he sits here, in spite of the loss that we all had. Thank you, Lee, for what you do for us, what you've done for tennis in India. We lost Mr. Jennifer Reyes, former Indian volleyball captain and an Olympian. We are nothing without the blessings of the elders, and today we start this new journey, an exciting next phase of TPL with their blessings. I would like to thank all the franchising owners who are the pillars of TPL, who are not only investing their resources but their trust and faith in us. I'd like to thank the All India Tennis Association, Mr. Sundar Iyer, Dr. Vijay Shah, Mr. Aditya Khanna, all the state associations who have been backing us for the last few years. We've conducted 450 tournaments in the last few years and helped so many young players, give them a platform where they can dream of becoming the next champions of tennis in India. I'd like to thank all of you for your support. 8 years, and today we announced a very special partnership. A 3-year exclusive partnership with Kia India. And that's a partnership because it's not just a sponsorship. It's a partnership in the vision, the partnership in the dream of growing tennis in India and taking tennis Premier League to the next level. We would like to thank Mr. Atul Sood, the entire team of Kia India, the team of InMotion, and of course our team back at TPL for working so hard and getting us till here. We would like to thank Kia for the faith they have shown in Tennis Premier League. TPL, in the next 3 years, we plan to conduct over 1,000 tournaments and support over 100 young players in the RTG scholarship, which is a vision to create and make the next Olympic champion for tennis in India. All this has happened purely because of the unconditional support of so many people. We believe EPL is what it is only because of the relationships that we've built. So many special people giving their unconditional support. And one of them is right here. It's never been a day that we ask for her support and she's not there. She's always there for us. Always there for the league, always there for the team. Thank you, Rakul. I'm not sure, but if you remember in one of your on-court speeches, you said that I wish Tennis Premier League becomes one of the biggest tennis leagues in the world. And I think the only way to thank you and all the others who believed in us is to make that dream come true. We assure you, we are going to put in our best efforts, and the best of Tennis Premier League is yet to come.
For being here. Thank you everyone for being a part of this. I go back to my conversations when in those days we were talking about it now. Watching one of the most promising leagues, one of the biggest sporting IPs, and just having a chat that can we do something about this around it? Can we build a format which has never been seen in the world? The question was real and the struggles were real. Finding the right podcasters, finding the right partners, finding the right team owners, convincing them on something which was merely on paper, merely a vision which we both had seen. We just have one thing in mind, our conviction. A dream built with conviction, effort, hard work and execution. Find its own way. And it found its own way when we got a call from Kia India in December that we want to sit down with Tennis Premier League, we want to talk about the Tennis Premier League. And that was the moment we felt that this was the time we arrived. When we sat down with Kia India and we spoke about it, we understood that we were not talking with any other brand, we were talking with a set of people who had a mindset, building something which lasts long. And for us, at that moment I could just visualize was that a brand which has been associated with Australian Open coming down to India, standing right next to EPL, it was the feeling that we couldn't just express. And it's always true that a dream comes true when you have a dream. And Kunal very rightly said that this wouldn't have been possible without a franchise. Thank you for believing which was just on paper, and this 7 years of hard work and this 7 years of dedication which you all have given. This is your money. Thank you everyone. EPL is not just an Indian story. We are live across 25 countries. We have garnered a number of audience which we just imagined. We were very clear from first that we were not building a league, we were building a sport. Because a league can only sustain when the sport grows. By saying that Kia and TBL is not just a partnership, it's a statement.
A massive statement indeed. Thank you so much, Mr. Kunal Thakur and Mr. Mrunal Jain.